Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's another latest video. Today I'm gonna show you the using of data validation. Data validation is a very important task in Microsoft Excel. Those who are working with accounts department, they must have a knowledge about data validation. So without wasting time, let's get to the work. Here you can see a screen with a sheet, blank sheet. So first of all, we have to go to the data tab, and here you can see the data validation and option. If we try to use this option, then we have a valid data source. For example, in sheet number 3, you can see here is a valid data source like category. If you are continuing with a shop, or if you are a owner of a showroom, then you can use this formula. Like we have a 114 categories of product in here, like boys capri, boys pajama, boys punjabi, boys sweatshirt, boys t-shirt, so and so on, such type of categories. Right now, I want to see the sale value of the category, of those categories. For example, here is the sheet is already I have worked, I have made this one. So you can see that the category means sweatshirt. See, I have to see the Punjabi tag, right? So Punjabi sale amount, we have found the sale amount. And after that, how I created this sheet, I will show you in sheet 4. So first of all, I copy these categories, Ctrl C, and in sheet 4, Ctrl V or paste. I value the paste. Here I want to see the lookup value. What will be the lookup value? So click on the data validation. A pop-up window has opened. See, here setting. Validation criteria. Allow. Allow means any value, whole number, decimal, leaf, text, type, and so on. I will show you there are some advanced uses on here, but today I will show you the basic uses of data validation. So first of all, we select the list. When we select the list, there is a source. Source means source data, where from the data picked. So then I click on source and click on sheet 4, Control Shift arrow down. Here I select this. You can see the input message. We don't need this option. Error alert, we need this option. So error alert means I will show you later. Just type the message. What will be the message? Please input correct. Okay. So now just okay. You see already we got the cell. Here we have a title category. Okay. Here sale amount. Sale amount should be the corner of the right side. Now, for example, what will be the value? Okay, the value we will calculate. Here I will show you the another formula. Another formula from the very beginning. I have shown you that I showed that the sum is formula. Do you have any idea about sum is formula? If you don't have any idea, then I have another video about sum is formula. Without wasting time, I will again show you in a short way. Equal sum if or sum if. Sum if is good enough for this. That's the form whatever equals if. Now click on the formula section. Range. Which range it will pick. Here I have a cell data. So definitely item name witness category. Range criteria. Criteria should be this one. Okay. Sum them. Definitely sum will be the cell value. Okay. Now click OK. See, here we can see the voice tab sale amount 6,708 data. Now we can see voice pajamas sale value. See, 1,39,230 data. Here it is the using of data validation. So in the next day, I will show you the advanced formula or advanced techniques of data validation. So till next video, just watch and subscribe. Hit the like button. Till then, Allah.